What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Rewards Card, which is yung BPI Blue Rewards Card Mastercard ni BPI. Yun yung pinakamababang tier ng BPI Rewards Card, credit card na meron si BPI. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits, then yung possible credit limit, magkano nga ba yung credit limit na binibigay sa mga credit card holder ni BPI tulad nitong BPI Rewards Card Blue Mastercard. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung annual fee and then yung fees and charges ng credit card na ito. At saka kung paano kayo mag-earn ng points and then yung application requirements na kailangan nyo i-provide kapag mag-a-apply kayo ng BPI Blue Rewards Card Credit Card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. To answer that question guys, so unahin ko na kung magkano nga ba yung possible credit limit ni BPI Rewards Card or yung BPI Blue Rewards Card Mastercard. To answer that accordingly guys, hindi siya pare-parehas of course. Magkakaiba siya depende sa assessment ni BPI sa account ninyo or sa pangalan ninyo. Kasi alam nyo ba kapag may credit card kayo tapos may mga unsettled debts kayo or may mga hindi kayo binayarang utang, magre-reflect yan doon sa CIC which is Credit Information Corporation. So doon sila nagbe-base sa ibibigay sa inyong credit limit. Minsan talaga hindi kayo ina-approve ng credit card kapag may mga unsettled debts kayo. Kaya naman kailangan yung ingatan yung credit card ninyo, dapat bayaran nyo siya on time para hindi kayo magkaroon ng red flag sa mga bangko. At saka para bigyan kayo ng mataas na credit limit. At the same time, nakadepende siya minsan sa income requirement. So, to answer that question guys, nagre-range yung credit limit ni BPI Rewards Card which is yung Blue Mastercard Rewards Card. Nagsisimula siya sa 10,000 up to 100,000. Minsan umabot din ng 300,000 depende kung karapat-dapat ka ba sa credit limit na yun. Kung okay yung record mo sa kanila. Nice kong sabihin sa inyo guys na wala pong exact or fixed credit limit na binibigay sa bawat isa. Nakadepende po siya. Pero yung pinakamababa is 10,000 pesos. Or minsan 15,000. Depende talaga siya. Then ayan guys, as you can see, BPI Rewards Card. Earn BPI Rewards points that you can use for shopping credits, gift vouchers, airline miles, and more. As you can see, ayan yung BPI Rewards Mastercard na sinasabi ko. Kulay blue siya guys. Ayan siya. Naka-zoom in para makita nyo talaga. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits kung kayo ay BPI Rewards Card or BPI Blue Mastercard Rewards Card credit card holder. Travel, shopping, and dining deals. Use your BPI Rewards Card to shop, dine, and travel for a more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So sa Oh My Deals app guys, doon yung makikita lahat ng deals na ino-offer ni BPI. Earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every PHP or Philippine peso, 35 pesos spend earns you 1 BPI rewards point. Track points conveniently with Vibe by BPI. View, track, and redeem your points in real time through Vibe app. So I advise guys, mag-download kayo ng BPI Vibe app para doon nyo matrace or makita kung magkano na yung accumulated points ninyo. At saka pwede din kayo mag-redeem ng points doon. More reasons to love this card. Enjoy flexible payment terms. Stretch your payment terms up to 36 months as you enjoy Real 0% Special Installment Plan, SIP, Buy Now, Pay Later, and additional installment limit with bonus madness limit. So minsan kasi guys, nagbibigay ng extra credit limit si BPI. Get free travel insurance. Be insured for free whenever you travel for up to 2 million pesos when you book your flight using your card. So, kailangan yung gamitin yung credit card guys kapag nag-book kayo ng airline ticket ninyo or kung anumang adventure yon, gamitin nyo yung BPI Blue Rewards Card Mastercard. Get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit. So may cash advance feature siya guys, kaso nga lang mataas yung interest kasi 3% tapos may 200 pesos every transaction siya na processing fee. Redeem rewards your way. With our wide selection of rewards, you can redeem your accumulated non-expiring points for shopping credits, shopping EGCs, dining EGCs, for miles, and more. So ito guys, pag-uusapan natin yung BPI points guys. Paano nga ba mag-redeem? So punta kayo sa BPI Vibe app guys. Nandun nakikita nyo yung mga papilian doon, kung magkano yung katumbas ng i-redeem ninyo. Ito guys, sabihin ko sa inyo na every 1,000 pesos is equivalent to 20,000 BPI points. Pero mabilis lang naman siya ma-accumulate. It's because 35 pesos lang, 1 point na siya. So sa 20,000 points, kahit paano, mabilis lang siya ma-earn yung 20,000 points. Then ngayon guys, dapo tayo sa annual fee ng BPI Blue Rewards card. So as you can see guys, card membership fees incurred yearly or monthly after the first year of card ownership. Kasi naka-waive yung unang taon ng credit card na to. Pagka-approve nyo, on the next year pa kayo matcha-charge ng annual fee. Upon the card's anniversary date, charge for the use of the card and the provision of its services. So as you can see guys, ayan, card type, principal card. BPI Signature Card, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa BPI Rewards Card. Sa baba tayo guys. Kasi yung iba is hindi yan. Yan yung ibang credit card na meron si BPI. Tapos ito, BPI Rewards Cards, 1,550 pesos per year. Ibig sabihin, yun yung annual fee niya or membership fee, which is 1,550 per year. So as you can see guys, sa first supplementary card niya is naka-waive for life. So ibig sabihin walang annual fee yung unang supplementary credit card. Kapag nag-request kayo, free for life siya. Tapos yung pangalawa hanggang pang-anim is 775 pesos per year siya. Then ngayon guys, dapo tayo sa interest rates and charges. As you can see, type of fees and charges, then fee. Finance charge or nominal interest rate is 3%. So ibig sabihin guys, kapag yung outstanding balance or yung nagastos nyo, hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo, on the next billing cycle, papatungan nyo ng 3%. Kaya dapat alam nyo yun. Tapos, cash advance finance charge or nominal interest rate is 3%. So, kapag nag-cash advance kayo, tulad ng sabi ko, 3% din yung interest nun per month. Installment-related fees, type of fees and charges, a special installment plan, SIP add-on rate is 1%. Transaction fees, so cash advance fee is 200 pesos tulad ng sabi ko per transaction siya. Service fees naman, card replacement fee is 400 pesos. Halimbawa nawala yung credit card ninyo, nasira ninyo, or nagkaroon ng problema dahil sa kagagawa ninyo, 400 pesos yung replacement fee. Tapos as you can see guys, express start cancellation fee. So halimbawa kumuha kayo ng secured credit card, tapos na-approve na, tapos pinakancel ninyo, 1,500 pesos yung bayad guys. Kaya naman yung 15,000, if ever nagpa-hold kayo ng 15,000, mababawasan nyo ng 1,500. Then yung penalty fees, ay nakikita nyo, late payment fee. So dapat alam nyo to. 850 pesos equivalent to the value of unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower. So yung minimum amount due nyo guys, kung mas mababa sa 850, yun yung masusunod. Tapos kung lumagpas naman ng 850, 850 lang kasi whichever is lower. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung requirements if you are applying for a BPI Blue Rewards card. One photo bearing and unexpired identification documents front and back. Copy, identification document issued by the Government of the Republic of the Philippines, including its political subdivisions, agencies, instrumentalities, example, PhilID, yung Philippine ID, yung PhilSys ID, ePhil ID, National ID, Passport, Driver's License, Company ID issued by private entities or institutions registered in BSP, SEC, or IC. Proof of income, of course, or copy of your credit card statement from another bank. So kung may credit card na kayo, kahit wag na yung proof of income. Pero kung wala, kailangan yung proof of income. So, paano nga ba kayo nag-earn guys ng points sa BPI Rewards cards? So, bawat 30 pesos spend earns you 1 BPI point which you can accumulate and exchange for exciting reward items. So, ng sabi ko, nasa BPI Vibe app siya lahat. So, I think that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!